Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tebs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Brother Printer, model DCP-T300. It's turning on but can't print and a message shows unit unable 8F, appears on the LCD display. I'll show you how to fix it. If you are new to this channel and you have found it interesting, then make sure to like and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. A 8F error is usually a paper jam or a mechanical malfunction. But no paper stacked to the roller. Let's remove this cover to see the mechanism inside. These wires are connected to the scanner. Let's disconnect them and remove the scanner. This drive gear looks loose from the pin's roller. Seems this is the problem. We have to remove this main cover to access the gear and see why the drive gear it's been loose. It needs to remove the LCD and switch panel to undo all the screws. Disconnect the wires. Removing the main cover is very tricky. You need a lot of patience to make this work done correctly. The cover is finally removed. This disc with slits is attached to the drive gear that is loosened. This is a photoelectric sensor used to control the speed of the motor accurately. Let's first remove the sensor. Now let's remove the drive gear. There is a crack where the pin's roller is inserted. You can place the gear back and it will work. But soon it will lose again. I don't have this kind of gear. So let's try a remedy. Tie a strand of wire around the broken axis. Tie it very tightly. Then remove it. Then solder the wire where they are twisted together to get more secure. Place back the wire near the outer edge. Then put super glue to hold the wire in place.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Once the glue dried up, clean the inner hole and remove any oil inside. Clean also the pins roller. Now it's ready to insert into the pins roller. Do not attempt to put super glue on this area. The glue will flow into this hole and the pin will be glued and no longer rotate. The gear now is harder to insert into the pins roller, which means it will not going to lose again. Let's place back the sensor. Make sure that the drive gear aligns properly and the disc is in the proper position. Seems all is in alignment now and ready to reassemble.
A few moments later.
The 8F error now is gone, and looks normal now. Let's try to scan a document. The printer is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can help this channel grow by liking and subscribing. You can also give a super thanks so I can make a more quality videos to come. Once again, I'm Teps. See you again next time. Bye for now.